Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Wix website to Aliexpress. So we want to focus on the left hand side, click on add elements here, and then we will search for, if we just click on the search button, we will search for Aliexpress. So it will show us this, dropshipping Aliexpress DSERs. So find suppliers and dropship book orders on Aliexpress. So we want to click on here, open. And we can add this to our website. So if we click on add to website to take us to a document here, just give it some time to load. I'm gonna come back in a second when it loads. That was literally a second later, but we have to click on agree and add. If we agree to all of these terms of services, you have everything they can actually view on our profile. And again, it's going to take a little bit of time, but it will take us to this website and we can either create an account or we can register ourselves. I'm just going to click on create an account for you, and it should automatically gather our information from Wix's website. So just give it some time here. So as you can see, now we have different pricing features. We can get started with the free version. So I'm just going to click on free. And we need to link to suppliers. So Aliexpress, we have Aliexpress here. I'm just going to click on it. And this will take us to the page where we can actually log in into Aliexpress. So just give it some time again. I'm going to come back in a second. So right here, this is actually the page where we need to log in into Aliexpress. So if you already have an account here, you will simply use your email and your password to log in. And then this will successfully have added Aliexpress dropshipping to your Wix website. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.